Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to unlock your locked Pi coins. Some of us may have mistakenly chosen to lock our Pi coins for an extended period without fully understanding the situation. If you've previously chosen a 1 to 3 year lockup on your Pi network wallet and now wish you had more flexibility in accessing your Pi coins, you're in the right place. While Pi Network doesn't officially support reversing lockups, there is a method that many community members have found useful in unlocking Pi coins. Let's explore how you can potentially unlock your Pi coins using unlockpi.network. Step 1. Visit unlockpi.network. Using your browser, navigate to unlockpi.network, a community-recommended platform designed to help users unlock their Pi coins early. Step 2. Input your wallet and details. Enter the Pi wallet address containing your locked Pi coins. Specify the exact number of coins you'd like to unlock and provide an exchange deposit address from a platform such as Gate, Dio, Bitget, or OKX. Step 3. Review and confirm. Double-check the details carefully. Confirm the target PI address you are unlocking and the deposit address of your unlocked coins. The platform will also display transaction IDs, gas fees, and other important details. If everything looks correct, proceed to the next step. Step 4. Authorize the transaction. To complete the process, go ahead and authorize the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the funds once completed. Your Pi coins should arrive at your chosen exchange wallet within a few seconds. The blockchain transaction resembles a typical transfer and will provide you with access to previously locked Pi coins. Once you've unlocked your Pi coins and they're deposited into your exchange wallet, follow these steps to convert your Pi coins into USDT and cash out via P2P trading. Let's proceed with converting Pi coins to USDT on your exchange. Log into your exchange account and navigate to the trading section. Select the PI/USDT trading pair and enter the amount of Pi you wish to convert, confirm the exchange rate, and execute the trade. After converting to USDT, go to your wallet overview and transfer the USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet to prepare for P2P trading. To start cashing out USDT via P2P trading, access the P2P trading section of your exchange. Choose your desired fiat currency and payment method. Browse through offers from verified buyers and select a suitable buyer. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to sell and follow the exchange instructions to complete the trade safely. Always double-check transaction details and wallet addresses. You can check transaction status directly on platforms like unlockpi.network or your exchange wallet if delays occur. You should also ensure you have sufficient Pi coins to cover both the transaction and any related fees. If you face any issues, contacting support teams for the relevant platforms will provide swift assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember, always research thoroughly and proceed cautiously when dealing with unofficial platforms. Happy converting!